Good morning. This is Tiffany Sorcelli, owner of the Virtuoso Companies, bringing you Breakfast with Tiffany, where I come on weekly to share tips, tricks, timely topics, things that are happening in my practice and my businesses with all of you. So here we are. We are a stone's throw from the year end. It feels like the year went very fast. And there's a lot going on at this time of year. There are holidays to celebrate and presents to buy and books to close and IRAs to max out. And one of the things that people are probably not thinking heavily about at this time are taxes, which is why I wanted to bring them up today. So if you wait until spring or April, or even until February when you get all of your tax documentation in the mail, to begin engaging on your taxes, you have already missed the ball. If you wait until next year to start tax planning, you lose the opportunity to be effective in reducing your tax liability with things that need to happen before December 31st. For instance, maximizing deductions through your business if you have a business. If you're looking like revenue has been good this year and you have a couple of large purchases, it might make sense to pay them in December instead of in the new tax year. Another thing that individuals do and can do is make retirement contributions to reduce their tax liability. There have been a couple of changes in the tax code in this last year that does affect self-employed individuals, which is a lot of the individuals that I have the privilege of supporting. So I'm doing a workshop on Monday, the 13th in the afternoon, to address some of these tax issues, to really dig into them and illustrate importance of understanding what's coming, what the changes are, how they affect you. And if you are someone who is self-employed, I would strongly suggest you join us for that conversation. It's going to be recorded, so if you can't join us in the afternoon Eastern when we shoot it live, you're welcome to submit questions ahead of time, and I will make sure that we address them when we shoot the workshop. But if there's anything, before we start breaking open the champagne and the eggnog and really celebrating the holiday season, if you are self-employed or a business owner, it's really important to make sure that you do everything that you need to do in this tax year to prepare for filing in the new year. So I would encourage you to join us on the 13th. Please reach out with any questions, and we'll see you next week.